In this video we will see how to submit sitemap in Google Search Console fast. So we will perform this task in two steps. Step 1, we will install Yoast SEO plugin and get our website sitemap. And second step, we will go to the Google Search Console and add sitemap. So let's move to WordPress website dashboard. From WordPress dashboard, we will go to the plugin section and click on add new. Here at plugin section you will search for the plugin Yoast SEO, and this is the plugin. I already installed that plugin, so you will go there and just install and activate the plugin. After installing the plugin, you will go down and here you will go to the Yoast SEO and then settings. And from setting you will go down, and here at the end you will see the option of XML sitemap. So you will click on XML sitemap. The Yoast SEO plugin will automatically generate XML site for your website. Now in second step, we will submit XML sitemap into Google Search Console. Now we are at the google.com, and here we will search for Google Search Console and then click Google Search Console and start now. If you still not installed the Google Search Console in your website, so you can easily go to the plugin section, and here you will search for the plugin Google Sitekit and install this plugin. After successful installation of Google Search Console, and from here you will go and click on sitemap. Now we will go back to our site where we have already taken our XML sitemap. So we will just copy that section and place it here and then click on submit. Now you are seeing that Google Search Console is providing us the message sitemap submitted successfully. So we will just click on got it. Our sitemap has been successfully submitted. So in this way you can submit your website sitemap that will help in your website SEO. So stay tuned and stay connected for more future videos.